This lovely 3-bedroom, 3-bath bungalow in Oak Hill will surprise you in wonderful ways. Its contemporary updating and renovations have transformed it from a cozy New England home into a stylish and modern abode. Built in 1920 with timeless design in mind, you first step into a pleasant entry hall with warm inlaid hardwood floors that continue throughout the house. Step left into the inviting living room with an eye-catching fireplace framed by handsome built-in shelving. Crown molding adds a crisp flourish, while walkout access to the deck lets you extend get-togethers into the delightful sunshine. The living room flows nicely into an elegant dining room, leading the way into a renovated chef's kitchen offering stainless steel appliances, a sleek range hood, abundant cabinetry, and casement windows to let nature inspire every meal. Step down the hall into 2 first-floor bedrooms, either usable as a private office space. A full bath graciously completes the main floor. Natural light welcomes you upstairs via the skylighted cathedral ceiling of the secluded primary suite. An airy and open feel makes this an especially restful retreat, featuring a separate living area, a walk-in closet, and a spacious ensuite bath with a glass-enclosed walk-in shower and dual vanities. The surprises continue downstairs in the fully finished lower level, providing a fresh family hideaway for a home theater or a play area. Recessed lighting adds brightness throughout the level, which includes a dedicated laundry room with utility sink, a modern half bath, and walkout access to the fenced private yard and detached garage. Enjoy leisurely strolls to nearby Lippitt Park for weekend farmers markets or people watching on Blackstone Boulevard. You'll be minutes away from the unique restaurants and shops along Hope Street. A swift drive through town takes you to the esteemed Wheeler School, Moses Brown School, and the campuses of Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. Explore New England via accessible Interstate 95 and reach TF Green Airport in as little as 20 minutes. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.